Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Mga kababalaghan na tunay na nangyari, true-to-life stories, story number 36, story that tells of a truth, but not easily to be believed in. Some other people may be skeptics or skeptical about this, but it really happened, so I don't know how to put it. Undin number 1. This happened just yesterday somewhere in Swan Lake in New York, the United States of America. Nangyari ito kahapon lang sa lawa ng Gansa sa New York, US. A friend of mine by the name of Elizabeth, walking around the park. Kaibigan ko, si Elizabeth, na naglalakad-lakad sa park. It was dusk. Patakip-silim na. It seems she has lost her way. Parang naliligaw na siya. She has lost sight of where to go. Nawala na siya ng kung saan siya papunta. I told her that the foxy eyes creatures conjuring her to go straightly to Y Road for her to reach the Twilight Zone area. Sabi ko sa kanya, inililigaw siya ng mga malalaking mata para makapunta siya sa Y Road na kung saan nandun ang Twilight Zone. But the creatures were not successful. Hindi nagtagumpay ang mga nilalang. The Undin helped her out. Tinulungan siya ng Undin para makalayo sa Y Road. It took a while for her to get back to her senses. Medyo natagalan ng konti bago makabalik siya sa kanyang ulirat. She needs to go back home. Kailangan na niyang makauwi sa kanila. She used her GPS but didn't work. Ginamit niya ang GPS pero sira ito. The Undin led her home safely, which she herself didn't realize until we talked about this morning. Now she's back home and safe. Hindi niya naisip ito. Hindi kasi siya clairaudient. Yung clairaudient, yung nakakarinig ng hindi na karaniwan naririnig ng tao. Hanggang kaninang umaga nang maikwento niya ito sa akin. Nasa bahay na siya ngayon at hindi na nangangamba.